Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Acura TLX versus the Toyota Camry. When it comes to performance, the Acura TLX typically offers a more powerful standard engine, boasting 272 horsepower from its turbocharged four-cylinder. The Toyota Camry, while still capable, focuses more on efficiency, with some hybrid models achieving an impressive 53 miles per gallon combined. Both sedans do offer the option of all-wheel drive, providing better grip and confidence in various driving conditions. Stepping inside, the Acura TLX presents a more luxurious and driver-focused cabin, often featuring premium materials like leatherette sport seats and sophisticated styling. The Toyota Camry, on the other hand, prioritizes spaciousness and practicality, offering ample room for 5 passengers and a generous 15.1 cubic feet of trunk space. Both vehicles come equipped with modern infotainment systems, including wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for seamless smartphone integration. Safety is a top priority for both the TLX and Camry, with both models consistently earning high safety ratings from independent organizations. They each come standard with comprehensive driver assist suites, Acura Watch for the TLX, and Toyota Safety Sense for the Camry. These systems include features like automatic emergency braking and lane keeping assist. Historically, the Toyota Camry has maintained a strong reputation for long-term reliability and lower ownership costs. When considering value, the Acura TLX generally has a higher starting price, often beginning around $45,400, reflecting its luxury positioning. The Toyota Camry, however, offers a compelling value proposition with a starting price closer to $29,895, making it a more accessible option for many buyers. Ultimately, your choice depends on whether you prioritize luxury and sportiness or practicality and efficiency. Before you go, remember that life's too short for cheap socks. Check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.